家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host and native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word that you can start using right away. Today's word is 喝. 喝. It means to drink. Let's get started. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 喝. Again. 喝. One more time. 喝. 喝 uses the first tone. Keep your voice high and steady like you're holding a note. 喝. 喝. Now let's build your Mandarin. 喝水. 喝水. Drink water. 我喝水. 我喝水. I drink water. 我喝咖啡. 我喝咖啡. I drink coffee. 我喝茶. 我喝茶. I drink tea. 我喝汤. 我喝汤. I drink soup or I have soup. I know in English we usually say eat soup, but in Mandarin we say 喝汤. 喝汤. Imagine your friend asks, 你喝茶还是喝咖啡? 你喝茶还是喝咖啡? Do you drink tea or coffee? You smile and answer, 我喝茶. 我喝茶. I drink tea. Or more naturally, I'll have tea. A simple conversation you can start using today. You'll often hear native Mandarin speakers say, 喝墨水. 喝墨水. Literally, it means to drink ink. But that's not what it really means. It means someone is well educated or has studied a lot. Imagine two friends are talking about a new coworker. One friend says, he's really knowledgeable. The other smiles and says, 他喝过不少墨水. 他喝过不少墨水. He's drunk quite a lot of ink. Of course, they don't actually mean he drank ink. They mean he's well educated and has studied a lot. And that's today's daily Mandarin word, 喝. 喝. Let's practice together 3 times. 喝. 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 Now it's your turn. Can you make one sentence using 喝? Write it in the comments below. I'd love to read your Mandarin. 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss